good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will show you how to make a vegetarian recipe. So for today's video, I make a collard green. This is the collard green. So already clean, and then with potatoes. I have already potatoes right here. It's already clean. So step 1, I am going to add the 2 tablespoons of butter. So next, let's saute the garlic. Saute the ginger. Saute the onion. Now, let's cook the potato first. So, let's cook for 10 minutes. And then let's add 1 cup of water and bring it to boil. And then let's add half teaspoon of salt. So half teaspoon of salt. And then half teaspoon of black pepper. And then let's add 1 pack of sazon goya, the shoti. So let's cook for another 10 minutes. Okay, next step, let's add the collard green. So we have to cook this one for another 5 minutes until the collard green is cooked. So now let's cover with the lid. Okay, last step, let's add sweet pepper. So let them cook for another 5 minutes. So moments later, 5 minutes later. So look at guys. So here you go. This is the collard green with potatoes. guys, the collard green is already done. So as you can see, smells really good. It looks delicious. So it should look like this. So thanks for watching.